Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix a lagging keyboard after a latest iOS update. For example, if you have recently installed a latest iOS update and after that you see your keyboard is lagging. For example, if you try to type something in your iPhone keyboard and you see that it is lagging, then how you can fix that? So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to click on that, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of keyboard here. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on keyboards, and you have to make sure that you do not have added any third-party keyboard so that it is using. If you are using any third-party keyboard, then it is the reason that your original iPhone keyboard is lagging. So what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are not using any third-party keyboards. Moreover, you can simply go to text replacement, and you have to simply check you have not provided any text replacement. Moreover, you can simply check all the settings. You have to make sure that you have provided all the permission to keyboard, and after that you have to simply go back and you have to check you have the latest iOS update or not. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on software update, and you have to make sure that you have the latest iOS update. And because in many iPhone the problem are fixed by the latest iOS update. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to Apple Store and ask for the solution of the problem, and you will get the solution of your problem. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply wait for the next update so that this error can be solved by the latest next iOS update. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.